Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export your Gmail emails to PDF format so you can save, print, or archive important messages easily. There are many reasons why you might want to save your Gmail emails as PDF files, maybe for archiving, printing, sharing, or simply keeping an offline copy that's easy to view anytime. In this tutorial, we'll cover the easiest ways to export Gmail emails to PDF, using Gmail's built-in print option and an automated method for bulk downloads. Here's how it looks step by step. Open Gmail and select the email you want to download. Click the three-dot menu on the top right of the message. Choose Print. When the print preview opens, change the destination printer to save as PDF. Click Save and browse the location to store the PDF file. This method is perfect for single or a few emails, but it's not ideal if you have many messages because you have to repeat the process for each one. If you want to export many emails or even entire folders in one go, using a professional backup tool is the better option. These tools connect to your Gmail account and let you bulk export emails directly as PDF files. The process is simple. Download and install the tool on your PC. Click on Open an Email Accounts. Add account. Enter Gmail login details correctly. Then go to Export and choose PDF as saving option. Now browse the location and hit the Save button to start the process. Use the manual print to PDF option for individual emails, and use a backup tool when you need to export multiple messages or entire folders at once. Download the tool from the link in the description box. With a backup tool, you can export all your Gmail emails at once, keep your folder structure, include attachments, and even apply filters like date range or labels, making it fast and organized. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you export your Gmail emails to PDF, please hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more email backup and migration tutorials. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd be glad to help.